But he's young and he's not working, and he won't do community service, so he won't appear in court, so there's an issue.
He should have bench warrant. He wants to get the bench warrant, counsel, you'll have an opportunity to talk to him, and if y'all can work out things, get him in line, I'll consider putting him on the docket next month. Okay. Jason Graham for arraignment. Are you Jason Graham?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're here on 26 CR 004, Office of Public Advocacy, represented you in district court. I'm gonna continue that appointment. You were born in 1994.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 3322.
Yes, sir.
You're here for the purpose of arraignment. You have the right to remain silent. The grand jury of Cumberland County is charged you with fleeing or evading police in the first degree. Operating over the vehicle under the influence. Failure to signal. Reckless driving. Possession of an open alcoholic beverage container. Speeding. Failure to use your seatbelt. You understand what those charges are?
Yes, sir.
Counselor, you acknowledge the identity of your client, received the indictment, waive formal reading and arraignment, enter plead not guilty, reserving all pretrial motion.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm signing reciprocal discovery order, sir, that require the Commonwealth to give your attorney the information that you prepare for your defense. You'll be here on March 13th at 9 a.m. for a negotiation, and March 24th for your next pretrial. Both of those are conditions of your bond. Okay.
His treatment was on company.
Has he been processed? Is that what you're saying? He hadn't been processed? The sheriff department can process him?
We have a vote.
Yeah. Evidently, he had never been served. Is that, does the record indicate somebody got the file, look at it, see if he's been served?
Unless he got service.
He's got a pretrial services supervised release order that was signed this morning, apparently. I don't know.
That was just for NCR.
That was just,
Okay, well, he just needs to stay here. Will you send somebody over to process him? I'm not gonna take you into custody right now, but you stay here in the courtroom and watch Mr. Deputy Abernathy. If he signals to you, they'll take you and process you, do the photo and that sort of thing.
Judge, what is the bond currently? If there,
What's the bond?
$25,000.
Yeah, can you make that?
His father was supposed to make it today.
25 surety?
Yeah.
My dad is here.
Yeah, well, you go downstairs in the clerk's office. Has he made the bond? Have you made the bond yet?
They already had it on lane.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Please, I bring this paperwork trying to have a home here.
Okay, well, so you have property here in Cumberland County.
Yeah.
Just go down to the clerk's office and start the process, making the bond. And by the time they come here to process him, he can leave with you if you make the bond, okay? Clerk's office is on the first floor. You just go down there by yourself and make the bond.
He's in a voluntary.
You what?
He's in a voluntary rehabilitation.
Well, we're gonna get him out of here once you make the bond, okay? You make the bond, he gets his photos, and he can be on his way rejoicing. Okay? Thank you. You show this gentleman where the clerk's office is. The bailiff will show you where the clerk's office is. March 13th and March 24th. You're on 25 CR 0071. Mr. Hill, were you born in 1990? Last four digits, social security number 4432. You're here for the purpose of arraignment. You're represented by Mr. Parrish. Is that correct?
Judge, I'm standing in for the purposes of arraignment for Mr. Rhett Ramsey. He will be continuing his representation.
Okay, Rhett Ramsey will be the attorney of record. The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging you with fleeing or evading police in the first degree, wanton endangerment in the second degree, operating motor vehicle under the influence, expired plates, careless driving, and reckless driving. You understand those charges? Counselor, do you acknowledge the identity of your client, receive the indictment, waive formal reading and arraignment, enter plea of not guilty, reserving all pretrial motions?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm signing a reciprocal discovery order. Are you gonna take the discovery and get it to Mr. Ramsey?
Absolutely, Judge.
The negotiation day is March the 13th and the next court day is March the 24th. We'll be both days here at 9 a.m. as condition of your bond.
I just want to put on the record, he already has discovery through DocuShare, so we provided it to Mr. Hampson.
Okay, that'll be fine.
I'll also email to you.
Okay, thank you. Thang Lu,
Opposed, and I think he's supposed to have counsel today. Can we just set her for the next negotiation and pretrial? And I won't require her to be here. She'll just attend by telephone since she.
what's she charging?
It's possession case, but it's heroin and fentanyl in the possession.
Where do you live?
Virginia.
Oh, okay, I remember.
You remember she was passing through.
Yeah. I had no problem with her participating.
I think-
Online.
So I just have to do just on. Okay.
What do you want to do? You want it there for the negotiation day by Zoom and here by Zoom?
Well, I think she'll either need to be back there on the 24th, either to enter a plea or set a trial date, so.
So the 13th is what you want the Zoom.
Yes.
So negotiation day, counselor, on the 13th at 9 a.m. Central Time. You're on God's time here. You're not on the East Coast time.
I know, I feel like it's.
Excuse me just a second. Excuse me. Hello? Okay, you need to text some of them on the bench. Thank you, yeah, pre-trial. So she's gonna be on Zoom on the 13th at 9 a.m. Central Time. And then on the 24th, she'll either be here to enter a plea or schedule trial. If she decides not to enter a plea, can we set the trial by Zoom?
Yeah, that board.
Mr. Stockton?
Yes.
Okay, so if you decide not to enter a plea on the 24th, you can do a Zoom appearance. Okay, is it okay with you, Counselor?
Yes, Judge, and I think if she could appear for the settlement conference on the 13th, we possibly could do the paperwork. We have,
Well,
and she can appear by,
it's up to you. I'm allowing her to do Zoom, or she could be here in person.
Whichever way you prefer to do it.
You know, and as far as that concerned, even if she was here on Zoom on the 13th, you know, she could email, you could send her the document somewhere, she could sign it, she could, you know, I don't know whether she has this ability to sign things
I
online,
can.
those signature things.
Yeah, I
that she
can do
has.
that.
You work that out.
okay, we'll
She
work
can
that.
come if she wants to. She wants to enter a plea, we'll accept the other, okay? And
Okay,
then once she enters the plea, she'll need to come here for sentencing at
Okay.
some juncture.
Well, I'm hoping that I'm hoping it may be a diversion situation.
Hope springs eternal.
That's right.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Yeah. Commonwealth versus April Nethery, 25 CR 0072 and 25 CR 0073. Good morning.
Good morning.
Were you born in 1981?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5139.
Yes, sir.
Do we have counsel on?
Your Honor, this is Greta Atherton. I represent Ms. Nethery. I apologize, I got stuck in McCrae County. I'm actually still here.
There are
So
worse
there
places.
is an issue. Yes, there is a situation in this case. I wasn't aware of the procedure that the Commonwealth used in order to obtain buy tapes. So I need to get with the Commonwealth about getting that in Ms. Nethery's cases in order to proceed further. So I was going to ask the court if possibly we could do another one of the, I think you all, maybe they're called settlement conferences there, along with another pretrial conference.
You had trouble getting discovery? Is that what you said?
Well, this involves some confidential informants and videos, so she may need additional discovery and we may have to sign an order so if we can disclose all that information. So I don't mind having we need another negotiation day anyway and pretrial conference.
Negotiation day on March 13th. Negotiation day, March.
That's good for me, Your Honor.
At 9 a.m. and the next pretrial is on the 24th. If you don't get everything you need on March 13th, then you can file any motions or whatever on the 24th. Ms. Nether, you're released under the same bond. You need to be here. Counselor, do you have Ms. Nethery's contact information? Does she need to contact you?
No, I have it, Your Honor. We've been in contact with one another.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You may be excused. Yeah.